How to fix Ometv app camera not working. So, there are a few reasons why your camera isn't working. This usually occur when permission settings are blocked from using the camera, outdated app version, cache and data corruption, and device restrictions. So, here's some ways that you can pretty much fix these issues. So the first thing is the quick permission fix. It works pretty much for iPhone and Android. So the fastest way to enable the camera access is to open Ometv, tap your profile picture. You should be going to your profile, select the take picture, then when prompted, press on allow for camera access. The camera should now work in chat. So this pretty much works since some apps only request permissions when you actually try using a feature. Of course, you can go ahead to your settings and manually turn on the permissions, but this is one of the way you can pretty much do this method. But anyways, the second method is to manually check app permissions. So you can go ahead, as I've said, manually do it, which is in the settings, apps, and go to Ometv, go to permissions, and you can pretty much enable the camera or microphone. Then try restarting the app to see it finally works. And for iPhone, it's pretty much in the privacy section, and then the camera, you can find the Ometv and toggle it as on. You can also repeat for microphone and privacy settings. Then finally relaunch Ometv. The next option is to clear app cache. This is for Android only. You can go to settings, apps, Ometv, then it's storage, or wherever you find the clear cache option. So if needed, tap the clear data. It resets the app settings, so you're going to have to go and log in again. But you can restart your phone as well to see if the Ometv camera finally works. And finally, to see if it's a bit outdated, you can go to the Play Store or App Store to see if it has any updates. So if it does, you can go ahead and update it, and you can also try reinstalling. This is best for the Android, so uninstall your Ometv, you can restart your device and download the Ometv again, since once you download it, it should be the latest version. But anyways, hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.